What's going on, guys? Adam Snyder here with the Homemade Entrepreneur. Today I want to talk to you about retail arbitrage at Target, and specifically, what do I buy and how do I make it profitable? I'm sure you've been to Target before. You've probably taken out your phone, scanned an item, and lo and behold, it's not profitable. Well, 90% of the products that you find at Target probably won't be profitable. You just have to find those 10%. Now, here's one of the things I do. I'm going to give you a little trick. It's not really a trick. People do it all the time, but it's probably a tip you may not know about, but I'm going to explain it to you, try to walk you through the steps, and just show you why this is one little secret tip that most people are using that's highly effective, and most people are struggling to make money because they're not doing this one thing, right? After that, I'm also going to explain what are some of the items I do buy. Alright, so let's just say there's this product, we're going to call it product X, okay? It's a legitimate product, it's a real life product, I do buy this, okay? And I'm going to give you the numbers, I'm going to break down the numbers, show you why I do buy this one product, alright? So, it's a beauty product, no secret, I like to buy beauty products, and those are things like, lotions, those are things like, whether it's, body lotion, face lotion, could be deodorant, could be stuff like shampoo, conditioners, toothpaste, things like that. Okay, I like buying that stuff because number one, it's restricted. It's a restricted category. Number two, a lot of the brands are restricted. If you want to get approved to sell some of those brands, you have to go and buy the brands through a wholesale supplier, send the invoice to Amazon, and get approved that way. If you need help with that, you got questions, ask your questions down in the comment section below. So, it's a beauty product. It sells for $3.99. That is the actual price, $3.99. Okay, that's no discounts. There's no nothing right there. So a 3-pack of the exact product sells for $22.97 on Amazon, and it sells really well. Okay, it usually sells right about 3 to 7 products per day. Okay, pretty good. I like those. Now, gross proceeds. It's a bigger product. You make $14.50. It's like $14.51 or something like that, but for the sake of this video, $14.50. Gross proceeds means that's what's coming back after your Amazon FBA fees, all right? So the fees on that item are about $8.47. So they're a little bit higher, but that doesn't factor in the cost of the product or shipping, all right? So right here, for a product that is $3.99, okay, there's just no money in it, all right? There's just no money, okay? Yeah, you can make a little bit of money, but it's not profitable here. I don't like this, all right? So let me show you this. So the nice thing about Target, and one of the reasons why I like to buy stuff at Target, is because you can buy certain items and you get like a $5 gift card. You buy 3 items, you get 1 free, okay? For this particular item, it happens quite a bit where you buy 4, you get a $5 gift card. You've probably seen them in the beauty aisle before, but they're all over the place. You buy 3, you get 1 free. You buy 2, you get a $5 gift card. And those are usually higher priced products. But this one is, you buy 4, you get a $5 gift card. Okay, and if you buy 8, you get 2 $5 gift cards. You buy 12, you get 3. You buy 16, you get 4. You get the idea. So, if they cost $3.99 per product, it comes up to $15.96 for 4. You subtract your $5 red card discount, it comes out to $15.16. Now, this does not include taxes if you live in a tax state. Now, $15.16 minus that $5 gift card you're going to get equals $10.16 for 4, or $2.54 a piece. Now, most Targets around my area allow me to, they will scan the Target gift card, they will hand it to you, and you can use it on that transaction. Okay, most of them do. However, I've been to other Targets where you have to wait for the next transaction to use that card. Okay, and I'm explaining why that's not a big deal to me, no matter which way they go. All right, so $2.54 a piece times 3, because it is a 3-pack that sells for $22.97. That means I'm in it $7.62 per pack. Again, does not include taxes. So if I get $14.50, those are my gross proceeds from Amazon, minus $7.62 for the products, I make $6.88 profit. Now, I do have to package these up, put them in a multi-pack. I just put them in a poly bag, that has the warning label on it. It costs me very little, so I'm making over $6.80 per product, per unit, just because I'm doing it this way. And this is something I do on multiple products, not just this one. Now, the reason I wanted to show you that, and again, I'm not going to tell you all the products that I buy at Target because I do buy a lot, okay? But the reason why I wanted to explain that to you is because one of the reasons I absolutely love Target is, number one, you get a 5% discount by using a Target Red Card. A Target Red Card used to only be a credit card, but now they have it where you can link it to your bank account, and as long as you use that Red Card, you still get 5% off, okay? Then another reason why I love Target is not just a Red Card, but they accept coupons on almost everything, okay? I like to buy beauty products. I like to buy things like, deodorant, hairsprays, not so much anymore, but used to buy a lot of hairsprays, buy a lot of, shampoos, conditioners, buy a lot of makeup stuff. All things you can get coupons for if you just email the manufacturer, or you go on eBay and type in like L'Oreal coupons. And I like to buy them from California because they're usually higher. The coupons are not just 50 cents, they're like $1, $1.25, $1.50. And take them to Target, give them the coupon, and you save more money, which means you're also making more money. Another thing I like about Target, on top of the 5%, on top of coupons, but also the $5 gift cards. You buy two, get one free. Buy three, maybe get a $5 gift card. I absolutely love that. Now, I like to buy beauty products. I buy some grocery. I buy toys. Toys at Target is my bread and butter. I absolutely love it. Here's one of the reasons why. You walk into a Target and it's usually nicely put together. It's not like a Walmart where the toys are just thrown at the wall. They're nicely stacked. There's people organizing them, pulling them to the front. It looks very professional. Okay, I go into Target. I pull it out, scan it. I have a scanner that looks like this. Okay, so right here it's a KDC 200i little handheld scanner. So I pull it out, scan it, pull it out, scan it, pull it out, scan it. Okay, and what normally I find, the products are not extremely profitable, but okay, if you factor in your 5%, a lot of times that will bump it up to, for me, I like to be at least at 30% ROI or higher. And that will usually do it, okay? Another thing is Target is, in my opinion, much better than Amazon, or much better than Walmart as far as going and buying a BOLO. A BOLO stands for Be on the Lookout. What I mean by that is these are hard to find items that people have, just skimmed over. They're not buying them. They are not selling very quick. But I found one a while back. Okay, it was a Golden Girls set. Okay, you can buy this. You could have bought this at Target. You can't anymore. You can't find it. I haven't been able to find it. But it was a Golden Girls set that it was selling at Target, I believe. It was selling for like $29.97 or $29.99 or somewhere right around there. Okay, so $30. It was selling for over $300 on Amazon, and it would sell about 2 to 3 per week. So you pay $30, you sell for over $300. That is, in my opinion, a killer BOLO. Okay, but Target has a bunch of those. Not just toys. It's in their sporting goods section as well. I ended up going to Target probably 5 months ago, ended up buying a Fitbit Aria. Fitbit Aria is a scale. It's a smart scale. They normally sell for like $150, something like that. I ended up picking it up for $35. Actually picked up 2. And sold on Amazon. Again, I can sell Fitbit. If you can't sell Fitbit, obviously don't buy it. Okay? Now, if you are selling on eBay, you could buy that item and still flip it on eBay and make money. But in this video, I'm talking mostly about Amazon FBA. Now, one of the things so many people ask me is, well, if everybody's shopping at Target, how are they not finding these deals? It's the same reason why everybody that's shopping at Walmart can't always find these deals, because you do not scan every single item. Okay? Tip for you, scan more items. Now, the last tip, and one of the things that I do is I use a tool called Tactical Arbitrage. Tactical Arbitrage essentially lets me scan the entire store, scan the entire database of products that they have at Target, and it will tell me whether it's profitable, whether it meets my criteria as far as needs to be under 100,000 in toys. It meets my criteria as having a 30% ROI or higher. It also meets my criteria of that I can sell that particular product. Okay, if you want to check out Tactical Arbitrage, I'll put a link down in the description box below. You can go check it out. It's like $97 or some dollars a month, but I highly recommend it. I use it all the time. Now, one of the other things about Tactical Arbitrage is it doesn't just give me the products that are actually at Target. It gives me the products that are not available at Target as well, which essentially is a BOLO. So I know, okay, that my local store does not have this product, but if I drive 20 minutes down the road, I might be able to find that BOLO at the next Target. And there's actually sites out there, and Target does as well, where it will tell you where that nearest product is located. It might be in the next store, it might be in the mall, it might be an hour away, but you're going to find it. And if you figure out what products are BOLOs, what products are going to make you the most money, put a list together and go out to these stores and find just that list of BOLOs, you're going to make money, all right? So that's essentially what I'm buying, all right? I'm buying beauty products, buying sporting goods, I'm buying toys. I buy a little bit with home products, kitchen stuff like that, but that's really not my expertise. Okay, I will buy it, but again, that's not where I make the majority of my money. The majority of my money is coming from toys, beauty products, a little bit from baby. I don't do clothing, don't do shoes from Target, don't do any of that stuff. Okay, I stick to the stuff that I know. All right, I know beauty, I know toys, I know sporting goods, I know baby a little bit, so I'll buy it. All right, so that's really what I'm doing. It's no secret how to make money at doing retail arbitrage at any of these stores. The main thing is go in there, put your time in. You're going to figure out these little nuances that are going to make you more money. They're going to save you more time. You're going to be more efficient, and your business can be more profitable. All right, so if you have any questions on how to make money doing retail arbitrage, let me know. You can always ask your questions down in the comment section below. If you want more videos on just doing retail arbitrage at certain stores, let me know. My next one, which let me know if you want it, put your answer down below. But retail arbitrage at Marshall's. What is it that I'm buying? How often do I go to this store? Kind of stuff like that. That's going to be my next video. So make sure you stay tuned for that. Subscribe if you haven't done so already, and I'll see you guys on the next one.